Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to start today chapter 2 Tissue. So let us know what do you mean by the term tissue and how we can define it. So tissue is defined as a group of cells which are similar in structure and perform a specific function is known as tissue. So dear student, this is the definition of tissue. Let us understand about it. A group of cell or a mass of a cell which are similar in structure and perform a specific function is known as a tissue. Let us understand with the help of the diagram. Dear student, you see this is a part of a living being, and here all the cells are of the similar shape and structure. And when it perform a particular type of the function known as a tissue. So a group of cell or a mass of a cell which are similar in structure and performing a specific function known as a tissue, dear student. So tissue are basically of the two types. Plant tissue and animal tissue. Plant tissue and animal tissue. Okay, dear students. First, I will explain you about the plant tissue. Plant tissue, dear student, basically are of the two type. Plant tissue are of the two type. First is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. The type of plant tissue which have a unique capacity to divide continuously. And helps in growth of plant. plant, known as a meristematic tissue. So dear student, what do you mean by the meristematic tissue? The type of the tissue, type of the plant tissue which have unique capacity to divide continuously and help in growth of plant, known as a meristematic, dear student. Meristematic tissue basically it is being present in baby plant or embryo. Baby plant or embryo. Dear student, in baby plant, meristematic tissue present in all part, and there is a maximum division of the cell and help in growth and development of the baby plant, dear student. Next is permanent tissue. Next is permanent tissue. Permanent tissue. The type of plant tissue which can no longer divide and assume permanent shape and size. Shape and size known as permanent tissue. So dear student, in plant tissue mainly two type of the tissue are present: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, the type of the tissue which have the unique capacity to divide continuously throughout the plant life and make the plant grow. But meristematic basically present in the baby plant, in the all the parts, whereas in the well matured plant, meristematic tissue is being present or located at the tip of the plant and base of the root, dear student. In these two places, meristematic tissue in the matured plant it is being situated or located, whereas in the baby plant almost in all part. Next is the permanent tissue, the type of the plant tissue which can no longer divide, means its dividing capacity is almost lost, and are assumed permanent shape and size of the cell, dear student. Means shape and the size of the cell is permanent, no any change, no longer division, is known as a permanent tissue. Permanent tissue, it is not going to divide. And assume permanent shape and size of the cell, known as a permanent tissue, dear student. So in this video, this much only, dear student. So please you learn about definition of tissue, type of the plant tissue, meristematic and permanent tissue. Both the definition, please you learn it. In the next video, I will explain you about the type of meristematic tissue, dear student. Okay then, thank you to you all.